Hello all. Today we are going to see what's the difference when we check this return exception to sender versus when we don't. Now, right now our iFlow just ends with the error end and we haven't checked the return exception to sender. Now let's check how the response looks like. As we can see, it gives a very generic error saying an internal server error occurred with just the MPL ID of the failed message without providing any error details. Now let's go back to our iFlow again. Now if we just check this and deploy it again, now here we can see it gives us the reason for the error. Here it's the reason is that we have ended with the error event and the same is shown up in the message. That's all. Thank you.